Picture this. You're hiking with zero cell service, but you can still point your phone at a plant and ask an AI assistant what it is, and get an instant, intelligent answer. Sounds impossible? Google just made it reality. They've released Gemma 3N, an AI model that's rewriting the rules of what artificial intelligence can do on everyday devices. We're talking about cloud-level AI running entirely on your phone or laptop. No internet required. This isn't just another AI update. This is when AI stops living in the cloud and starts living in your pocket. Today, I'm breaking down Google's game-changing Gemma 3N and why it might be the most important AI release you've never heard of. What is Gemma 3N? Gemma 3N is Google's latest open-source AI model designed to run locally on devices without needing an internet connection. Think about how most AI works today. You ask ChatGPT a question, it gets sent to cloud servers, processed, and sent back. Gemma 3N flips this concept. The AI lives directly on your device, processing everything locally. Despite being small enough to run on a phone, Gemma 3N is multimodal by design. It can understand and process text, images, audio, and video inputs simultaneously. Most AI models this size barely handle text properly, but Gemma 3N can see, hear, and understand multiple data types at once. The model comes in two sizes, E2B and E4B variants, roughly 5 billion and 8 billion parameters. Thanks to Google's innovative architecture, the smaller version needs just 2 GB of RAM, while the larger requires only 3 GB. Gemma 3N can run smoothly on devices most people already own. Who is Gemma 3N for? Gemma 3N targets developers who want advanced AI features in their apps without relying on cloud services. If you're a mobile app developer or work with embedded systems, this model is aimed at you. But it's not just for developers. End users benefit enormously, especially those caring about privacy and security. Because everything runs offline, your sensitive data never leaves your device for processing. This is huge for healthcare and finance sectors, where keeping data local is crucial. Google announced a specialized MedGemma model for medical applications, showing their commitment to professional use cases. AI enthusiasts and researchers also gain significantly. If expensive cloud costs or complex setups have deterred you from AI experimentation, Gemma 3N removes those barriers. Why Gemma 3N matters? Gemma 3N matters because it demonstrates that advanced AI can be efficient enough for everyday devices, bringing massive benefits. First, privacy. Your data gets processed on your phone instead of cloud servers. In an era of growing privacy concerns, having powerful privacy-first AI is game-changing. Second, dramatically lower latency. Since the model runs locally, responses are instantaneous. Gemma 3N can analyze video at 60 frames per second on a Google Pixel phone, enabling truly real-time AI interactions. Third, cost efficiency. For companies, using Gemma 3N can be much cheaper than cloud models. Once on a device, you're not paying per API call, potentially reducing cloud computing bills significantly. Finally, it democratizes AI access. You don't need cutting-edge hardware. A mid-range phone can handle advanced AI tasks, opening possibilities for independent developers and smaller companies. Multimodal by design. Unlike most small AI models handling only text, Gemma 3N natively supports image, audio, video, and text inputs while producing text outputs. You could give it a photo plus a spoken question, and it combines those inputs intelligently. Mobile-first architecture. Gemma 3N uses MatFormer architecture, like Russian nesting dolls. The larger model contains a fully functional smaller model inside it, giving developers flexibility to extract the smaller model for faster performance or create custom sizes for specific hardware needs. Enhanced language support. Despite its compact size, Gemma 3N supports 140 languages for text processing and understands 35 languages in multimodal interactions. That's remarkable coverage for a phone-designed model. Impressive performance benchmarks. Gemma 3N's larger variant became the first model under 10 billion parameters to score over 1,300 points on the El Marina benchmark, delivering performance comparable to much larger models. Privacy-first design. Since everything runs locally, Gemma 3N enables truly privacy-first applications. Developers can create apps where all AI processing stays on device, crucial for sensitive applications. Real-time processing. The model's optimization allows genuine real-time interactions, processing video streams, and responding to complex queries without typical cloud-based delays. Getting started with Gemma 3N is straightforward, and it's completely free. Google made the model available through multiple channels. You can download it from Hugging Face, integrated into their Transformers library. For non-technical users, Hugging Face offers a web demo to try Gemma 3N directly in your browser. The model works with popular frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow Lite, and tools like Ollama for easy local deployment. Google partnered with the open source community, ensuring compatibility across different environments. Hardware requirements are minimal. The minimum is just 2 GB RAM for the smaller model, though 4 to 6 GB provides better multimodal performance. Most modern smartphones and recent PCs handle it comfortably. There are no licensing fees or subscription charges. Google released Gemma 3N under an open source license with a responsible use policy to prevent harmful applications. Gemma 3N represents a pivotal moment. The shift from cloud-dependent to truly personal AI. Google has fundamentally lowered barriers for implementing advanced AI by making it work on everyday devices. What makes this exciting isn't just the technology, it's democratizing access to AI. Whether you're a developer wanting smart app features, a privacy-conscious user, or someone who couldn't afford expensive cloud credits, Gemma 3N opens previously closed doors. We're looking at a future where AI becomes as fundamental as having a camera on your phone. Imagine smart glasses identifying objects in real time, voice assistants working in airplane mode, or educational apps providing tutoring without internet. Gemma 3N proves the future of AI isn't about building bigger models. Sometimes it's about building smarter, more efficient ones. Google's approach shows that careful engineering can deliver cloud-level capabilities in a pocket-sized package. Google has essentially democratized advanced AI. The question isn't whether AI will become ubiquitous. It's how quickly we'll embrace this new paradigm of truly personal, offline-capable artificial intelligence. This is BitBiased.ai, where we cut through AI hype with real analysis. Subscribe so you don't miss our testing of major AI releases. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and we'll keep you ahead of every breakthrough.